Hello friends, welcome to the third part of our coding tutorial, and in this part we are going to design a lightbox. So what a lightbox is? A lightbox is an overlay which is designed to in order to create a image gallery. See, here are some images, and whenever we click on an image, this the your your image gallery has been faded away and the image has been stand out apart from the gallery, and on clicking it, it goes down. Okay, so we are going to design this with the help of jQuery. Okay, so let's start the designing. First of all, let's see the index.js file. Here I have something. In this we have id gallery and another list in which we have various images, and in href we have the address or the path of our image where the image resides, and in the image tag our alt contains the caption of the image. So we have to create an overlay which contains the image as well as the caption of the image. So let us note down what we have to do. First of all, we have to create an overlay contains image and caption, and then when a user clicks an image, what is going to be happened? The overlay will be shown. Okay, and when the overlay is clicked, we have to hide the overlay. Okay, these all tasks we have to be done. Okay, so let's get started. Since it is a jQuery, since we are going to use jQuery, therefore we are going to use jQuery objects. So first of all, let us create an overlay. For overlay we are going to use where we are going to use dollar symbol which distinguish another variables from dollar. Since it is not mandatory, but to distinguish other variables from JavaScript jQuery variables, we use dollar symbol in each of our jQuery variables. So overlay is equal to dollar div id is equal to overlay. Okay, div. So our overlay has been created. Now where dollar img what we have to do? First of all, we have to append the overlay object, append image in our overlay object. So we also have to add the caption. So for that we are going to use a caption is equal to dollar. For that we are going to use p tag. P means paragraph tag. Okay, now we are going to append image and caption to the overlay. So first of all, let's append image. Similarly, okay, now let's up. Now our overlay has been ready and we have to append this in body. So dollar body dot append, sorry, overlay. Okay, now we have this overlay, and what we have done is in overlay we have set the background color to RGBA 000 means black, and RGBA, this is alpha value, and this alpha value describes the opacity of the color. Okay, you can refer to my colors video in which I have described this RGBA value. And we have position set to absolute, top 0, left 0, so that our overlay has been created. Okay, now and it has been appended to the body. Now we have to display the overlay when the user clicks an image. Clicks an image. So let's bind a click event to the image. So let's check out our index.html where this is our UL ID gallery, and then A, because our image is in anchor tag, so we have to click on it. So we have hash gallery A. Okay, this is our CSS selector, and it will select the anchor tag which is going to be clicked. Okay, inside the gallery ID dot click. This is an anonymous function which is going to be called whenever the link in the gallery tag is clicked. So what we have to do is that the overlay will be shown, but before that we have to insert the image. So first of all we have to select the location of image, and where the location of image is, our location of image is in the href attribute. So we are going to get this path from the href attribute with the help of attr attribute, attr method, sorry. So where image location is equal to, so what we are going to use dollar, because we are referring this object only, so we can use this dot attr and for which attribute we are going to call href. It will get the value of href attribute of our anchor tag. Since it is an anchor tag, we have to pass a function. We have to bind the event and e dot prevent default. This function will disable the default functioning of our anchor tag. Okay, so while image location this. Now we have to use the caption. For caption, now let us consider the index.html file where our caption is. We have caption here in img in alt attribute of our img tag. Okay, so here we are going to use the child method. So where caption is equal to color this dot child img. What it is going to do, it is going to select all the child element of the anchor tag, which all the child element having img tag. Okay, and then we are going to get the attribute value which is alt. Okay, now we have got image location and we have got caption. So we have to set the img src attribute to image location. So what we are going to use, dollar img, because we have to set the source attribute of img. So $img dot attr, and then we have to set the src attribute to image location. Okay, again typing mistake. And we have to set the caption dot text to our caption. See, I have used caption and dollar caption in different manner because dollar caption is our jQuery variable and caption is our simple variable. Okay, now we have just to show. Okay, now when the overlay is clicked, so we have this id, so dollar hash overlay dot click function will be called, and in this we have to hide the overlay. So dollar this dot hide. I think something went wrong because our overlay is not being displayed. Just check. We have created overlay and insert image and caption into it, and we have appended the overlay to the body. On click function we have prevent the default mechanism of our anchor tag, and image location set to VH. Oops, sorry, यहाँ पे here we have children method, not child method. In order to get familiar with this method, you can also use the documentation of jQuery. I think it will going to be work. And here it is. So this is the image and this is the caption. Okay, see, this is this. And so I hope you all like this video. If you like this video, please do like, share and subscribe this video. Thanks for watching.